Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Linda and today I'm gonna be having McDonald's. I watched my old video from 3 years ago. I had ordered a Big Mac with extra sauce, a Sprite, fries with no salt, that way you can get it fresh. I have my friend, she's on her way right now. She's bringing the food. I have it all set up here. Yeah, we're gonna be doing that right now. So I'm just waiting for my friend. So see you in a little bit. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Like I said, I was waiting for my friend to get here with the food and she was telling me how they kept messing up. They made her wait. They didn't even give us any straws. And this is a request from one of my viewers. I'll put the name right here. But like I said, I have a Big Mac, extra sauce, fries, no salt, sweet and sour Sprite. This is my friend Felicia.
Hey.
Say hi.
What's up, guys?
All right.
I have a buttermilk crispy chicken with fries and an apple pie.
All right, you ready? Because I'm hungry.
Yes.
All right, let's go. You guys, I remember this video I made. It was so messy. Delicious, like always.
I can't believe they didn't give us straws.
I know. Thanks, girl, for requesting this. And she wanted us to do either McDonald's or Taco Bell.
Taco Bell will be next.
Okay.
I like Taco Bell.
So, when are we going to work out again?
Okay. After this McDonald's.
Oh, yeah. Tomorrow morning?
No, but for real, tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning, okay. Oh, and how was your concert?
It was
Who did you
good.
go see?
So we went to go see DJ Quick and the Dog Pound at where was it? House of Blues downtown. It was pretty fun. I enjoyed it.
I called her this morning. I was like, "Are you hungover?" And she's like, "No."
I didn't drink too much because I had to work. So.
Who are you kidding?
Sometimes I don't drink too much because I have to work.
There we go. What's that? So,
I should have got more Mac. I should have got Mac sauce on my sandwich.
Don't hold your burps back.
Oh.
You guys love it. Some of you do. So yeah. It's been so slow over here.
Same with us.
Super chilled, catching up on all our work.
I did a lot of filing. Got all through that.
That was a cute little burp. This lighting though, it keeps messing
I think
up.
there's the tree in the back. We're using natural light today.
I feel like I'm gonna finish this so fast. You always get that burger? The chicken sandwich?
No, I was trying something different for the video. Oh.
So good.
Oh. It's like all the mayo.
Chris said he's gonna come in here and mess with us, but he's on a tour.
We haven't even had toys today.
We have one.
Oh, close my top. I'm trying to show the camera. just to let everybody know, sweet and sour sauce is the superior sauce.
My fave. I
For
dip
McDonald's.
everything. I dip everything into this sauce. All the burgers. My son does it too now.
Yeah.
The McDoubles, fries, everything has to have sweet and sour. I think they have the best.
But you know what else? The Chick-fil-A Polynesian sauce is pretty good. But still, this is better.
So I guess Taco Bell next. We can't be doing this every day though.
Once a week. Once a week.
So maybe Sundays kind of works best for us because I use this back office and nobody sits back here on Sundays. I have this liquid lipstick. I knew I wanted to put something on that wasn't gonna come off.
I had on gloss and it's gone.
It's gone already. One day we'll do the seafood boil.
Yes.
But I don't know if we could do it here though.
No,
There's
we'll have to
nothing
do it
close by. But I like Crab Hut. How about you?
I don't think I've ever been to Crab Hut.
Oh my god, we need to go. We need to go. They have happy hour too. But not on the seafood, of course. But their wings are bomb. Their drinks are bomb. Oh, that's good.
I'm just dip my sandwich in here. Well, we just gotta go on day, like in the evening. You can go to the gym and then go.
Right? So what's new?
Nothing. We just gotta get back on our workout.
I know.
I've
I've been working out.
I've gone like
I've
a
been
couple
working
times, but not like we used to.
Not every morning, but I go at nighttime with my hubby. And I got this new cream. I got it off Amazon. It's like TNT. It's like your sweat stuff. But it's called TNT Sweat something. I'm going to try that out tonight. I want to buy this. It's like a nighttime fat burner. You take it before you go to bed.
I saw your other prank video.
Which one? Oh, the scare one was that funny.
The scare one.
Now every time they enter a room, they're like, Linda, where are you? Because it's boring in the office. So I gotta make it fun.
Got you something to get through the day.
There's another prank I'm thinking about doing.
What? Well, you can't reveal it.
Well, I don't think they watched my video, so I was gonna buy this this electric roach that you can control. And then I was gonna like have the camera set up somewhere in their office and control that shit.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Or if somebody comes out the office, I'm gonna just control it to chase them, something like that. But April Fool's is coming up, and I'm a prankster. Oh, and I want to buy this fake dog poop, and I just want to put like a pile of it in the office and be like, oh my god. So, you're not planning on pranking anybody?
Umberto scared Denise yesterday.
Oh yeah, man, I need to go over there and just scare somebody. I think Annette's back. See, I have this. See, my problem with burps is they always get stuck. I think I get too nervous because I know they want to see the burps, and then it's just like stuck. You just like let it rip.
That was a baby burp.
I know it was.
I couldn't get it out. I think I was
get a big one.
too.
Get a big one out. Do it for them.
I also got light ice so that we have more.
Oh, thank you. Did you want to share your... Oh, nice. That was a nice one. Did you want to share your social media with them?
Oh, yeah. It's at Phydiva. PHYDIVA. on Twitter and Instagram. They're both the same. And Snapchat. No, Snapchat is FeedDiva07. Though 07. So PHYDIVA 07.
Diva.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
I need more sweet and sour sauce.
I'm still working on mine. Oh, that was a good one.
I can't.
That was a good one. I need to zoom in on your face on that one. I haven't even burped
told me to
not
burp,
once.
guys.
Well, I wanted her to. Look at these. Yummy. Fun, saucy.
Are we supposed to show the food more?
Mm-hmm.
Dip it. Get it all good in there.
At one point, mukbangs where I was like wanting to post so much, so like every week, I was like gaining so much weight. And that's why I took like a big break. I mean, not that much of a big break like I used to. Like I would make a video and then 3 months later make another video, like. But I'm more proactive, I guess you could say here. But like I said, if you guys want to see more of me, I post every single day on my Snapchat. EL_Mulan, MULAN. My Instagram is ELLE.QUIPP. I post nothing but like food, my daughter, gym stuff.
And her daughter is so cute.
She is so cute.
I'm gonna be full.
I know. You got the apple pie to work on too.
I know, I forgot.
What are you doing tonight?
Nothing. I was gonna go home and just clean my room, meal prep,
You meal prepping
get
tonight?
ready for the week. I need to cook something. That's what's been messing me up.
Is that the reason?
Is part of the reason. She just tried to comfort me. Is that I didn't have meals cooked at home.
She's single. She had no kids. She's like, woo! Every night if she could. Yeah, I can't be doing all that. I can't. It's good though. Live your life. She travels too. Like, where have you been?
I've been to Thailand. That was my first big trip. Super fun. Beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful.
I know.
And then I went to Tahiti. That was another big trip. I've been to the Bahamas. I've been to Alaska. That was random though.
That was awesome.
That was a basketball trip in like high school. So that was pretty cool.
You know where I traveled to? Nevada.
You still travel?
But not vacation though. Like, that's good.
You went to
though.
Vegas or?
Yes. Yes, girl.
Vegas is always fun, but I could only do Vegas for like 4 days tops.
I can do 1 day.
And then I'm like, yo, I gotta go.
No sleeping, right? Because when my girl went out there, she did not sleep. She looked like a zombie, but she was having the time of her life.
Vegas, the city that never sleeps.
I slept. Don't get me wrong. Oh, the apple pie. I like to party still. I like when I get a chance. My birthday's coming up, kinda. June 2nd. Ooh, I'm getting up there in age.
What we doing?
I don't know.
Turn
I
up.
don't know, girl.
Take the family on a trip.
No, I don't know what I'm about to do.
I just like to say this apple pie is popping.
Popping with a P.
I forgot about you one.
Oh, thank you. I'm getting full. You ate your burger? Or chicken sandwich? I will edit this video after this. I have time, and then I'll post it. And you could share it to your whole platforms. Give me some subscribers, girl.
You'll have more guests. I know my friend Sonia.
Oh, yeah.
Shout out to @Sonia Renee.
Sonia, hey, subscribe, girl. I haven't met you, but you're my friend too. I've seen your videos through her Snap.
Well, she's the one who introduced me to mukbang.
Oh, she did?
She used to tag me in videos. I was like, what is this?
We were at the gym, huh? And I was like, hey, I make videos. Go subscribe to my channel. I was like, I eat. And she's like a mukbang? I was like, oh my God, you know? I was like, yes.
Shout out to Sonia for putting me on.
Yes. She doesn't have a channel? She should do it.
This is my last cheat meal for the week, so this was good.
Okay.
Good way to go out.
Slowing down.
I'm like, dang, I still have those fries.
I love when I wear red lipstick. Makes my teeth look so white.
Oh.
I know you was. I saw it. Mine's so stuck in there.
There you go.
Okay. Oh, and I want to do an ASMR channel.
That's really just here. Food, right?
This is a new cover thing because I knew we were gonna be messy. I remember for the longest I was like so scared to tell people about my channel.
Right.
I didn't want anybody to find about like how am I gonna grow if I don't. I gotta just stop caring so much. And I'm slowly like posting it on my Instagram. And that's all. I don't post it on Snapchat, but Instagram.
Hey,
I'm gonna take a little break. I need this burp to come out so I can have more room to eat. And see, what was that?
There you go. A little surprise.
It always comes out like a surprise. Let's just take maybe a couple of bites out of this apple pie. Ooh, have you tried like super fresh apple pie in their sundaes?
In the Sunday?
Look, dip it in or crush it into it, and it's like a McFlurry, like an apple pie McFlurry.
No, but I need to try that now. That sounds heavenly.
Here's Chris.
Oh.
What time do you need to clock back in?
1:17. So I'll leave here like 1:10.
Ooh, your
Like
nails are
2:10.
so cute. I just saw that.
Oh, yes. Diva Nails, Chula Vista.
Show them. Look at that.
They were Valentine's Day. I might need a fill.
cute.
Don't look too hard. They're like little hearts and then heartlets.
Cute. If you need a fill and you can't like go yet, I saw this little trick. They put gems around the base of it to make it look like give you some more time. Yeah.
Yeah, because I need a fill. I split days off this week though, because I'm off on Saturday.
Why are you off Saturday? Why are you off Saturday?
I don't know.
know.
That's the way she made the schedule though. I didn't request it, but she made the schedule. I think because Umberto's off for like 3 days or something.
So you're off Saturday?
So I have split days. I don't know to cover. Yeah, I think I'm covering for Saturday. I don't know, but it was my grandma's birthday, so I was like, oh, I'll take it.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, it worked out.
You hear that? And watch,
It's
as soon as I
trying to
turn it off, I'm
go,
gonna yeah. I'm done, guys.
Get these last few fries in.
Look at this long ass piece. See, I said I'm done, but
But you're gonna keep eating.
yeah. Just because this is a long ass one.
I'm done because I don't have any more sweet and sour sauce.
You want some?
Mm-hmm. Also, just.
Ooh, I'm gonna save this for later. Thank you for this apple pie. If you liked having my friend Felicia on this channel, let me know. Leave me a comment, and I'll have her more on here. But yeah, that's my goal.
Let us know if you like sweet and sour sauce, or what's your favorite sauce at McDonald's. I'm trying to take a poll and see.
Okay.
Most people say sweet and sour, but I just want to see.
You know, my husband, he only orders barbecue sauce with fries, but other than that, sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour?
Yeah, but has to have barbecue sauce with the fries. Yeah.
What? Yeah. Sweet and sour sauce. All the way.
Oh, God. See, it's
was
like
that a burp?
No,
or what was that?
Like it's about to come up. But I hate when it gets stuck right here. I'm just like, uncomfortable. So uncomfortable. But I feel like my burps always get stuck. I don't know why. You let out like 4. That was a good one. That was a good one. Yesterday, I went around the office. I was like, when you burp, let me record you. Let me record you burp.
Oh my gosh.
And I wanted to do a compilation of just everybody burping. Just record your mouth. And Chris was like, if you don't get that camera away from my mouth, Linda. You gotta leave by 1:10? Okay, we're good, right? Yep, 1:55. Whew. So I'll talk to them.
Well, cheers.
Cheers. Okay, guys. Well, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, share this video, like it, leave me a comment, and go follow her on her social media.
At Phydiva, PHYDIVA.
That one right there. And then come follow me if you guys want to see more of me. I do plan on doing this on Sundays. It just works best for me. I could use this room. She can come over. We could do a talk about whatever you guys want to see.
We're going to do Taco Bell next.
Okay.
Sure.
Do you want me to prank her or something? Like, let me know. But yeah. Okay, thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.